This video will show you how to assemble the base corner unit with Magic Basket. First, unwrap the package and lay down the parts on a flat and clean surface. Second, drill the expansion bolts, the one with screw head, into the hole of the side panels. Third, knot the wood tip into the hole of the side panels by hammer. Next, assemble the bottom and top panel. Put the strip on the corners and insert the back and side panel. Add the toe kick. Next, install the Magic Basket and fix it to the body. Next, fix the hinges of the door and attach the Magic Basket accessories to the door panel. Finally, your base corner unit is now finished.